Imagine a reality where every choice creates a different world. In these parallel universes, the outcomes of our decisions branch into infinite variations. Each universe pulses with its own unique colors and sounds, where the familiar often intersects with the fantastical. Exploring these realms sparks curiosity, inviting us to ponder the endless possibilities that lie just beyond the veil of our own reality. What adventures await in those alternate fates? The concept of a parallel world or parallel universe is a fascinating idea that has been explored in both science fiction and theoretical physics. While the terms are often used interchangeably, it's important to distinguish between the two contexts. In science fiction, a parallel world is a hypothetical universe that exists alongside our own but is different in some way. These differences can range from small historical changes, e.g., a what-if scenario where a historical event had a different outcome, to completely different physical laws or inhabitants. The sum of all these potential parallel universes is often called the multiverse. Some common themes in science fiction that use parallel worlds include alternate history, stories where a pivotal moment in history, such as a battle or the discovery of a technology, had a different result. Alternate dimensions, worlds that exist in a different dimension or layer of reality, sometimes accessible through portals or special technology. Mirrored worlds, universes that are very similar to our own but with subtle differences, such as people having different jobs or personalities, or certain products having slightly different branding. In theoretical physics, the idea of parallel universes is more complex and is often a consequence of various scientific theories. The term multiverse is generally used to describe the collection of all these hypothetical universes, with parallel universes being the individual components. Here are some of the main scientific theories that suggest the existence of a multiverse. Many worlds interpretation, MWI, of quantum mechanics. This is one of the most well-known theories. It suggests that every time a quantum event, like a particle's spin being measured, has multiple possible outcomes, the universe splits into a new universe for each outcome. In this view, all possible outcomes of a quantum measurement are realized in their own separate, non-interacting worlds. This would mean there are countless versions of you, living out every possible decision you could have made. Eternal inflation. This theory, which builds on the idea of cosmic inflation, the rapid expansion of the early universe, proposes that the universe we can observe is just one bubble in a vast, eternally expanding multiverse of other bubbles. Each of these bubbles could be its own universe with its own set of physical laws, string theory and M-theory. These theories, which aim to unify all of physics, suggest that our universe might be a brain, short for membrane, that exists in a higher dimensional space. There could be other brains floating in this space, and these would be other universes. It's important to note that these are all theoretical concepts, and there is currently no direct experimental evidence to prove or disprove the existence of parallel worlds. However, they remain a compelling area of study for physicists and a popular source of inspiration for storytellers.